I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you
Yes,
understand English?
yes, ma'am, I understand.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, no,
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
no,
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes,
Okay, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No,
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
because near in the Philippines and at the same time, and I want to experience another place.
All right. So, what is the quality of being a good domestic helper, knowing that this is not your first time working abroad?
Responsible, flexible, hardworking.
What is your name?
My name is Fatima Dion Quijada.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old,
Are you single or married?
married,
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
33, and the age in Saudi.
Okay, so why did you still wanted to come and work here? Your husband is working in DH, in KSA.
Because I want to help him.
Okay, when is your birthday?
March 2, 1996.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 160 and my weight is 62.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate.
How many children do you have?
One.
How old?
7 years old.
Who will going to look after your child once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother-in-law.
How old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
47. Um, she not work. She don't
Housewife.
have.
How many brother and sister do you have?
No, no. I am only child.
You're the only child. All right. So what about your parents?
My parents, they're in the house only.
So how old is your mother and your father?
My mother is 57. My father is 61.
Okay. So in which country you have your first working experience as a domestic helper?
Wait.
How many years you work there?
2 years and 3 months.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
2019 to 2021.
What month in 2019 and what month in 2021?
Madam, can you repeat?
What month in 2019 you started and what month in 2021 you end your contract?
June, I start June, then until September.
All right. So what is your job responsibilities there?
To take care, to taking good care of children and cleaning the house.
You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
How many children you take care?
Two,
How old?
4 years old and 7 years old.
All right. So are you the only helper inside the house or do you have companion?
Oh, I am only.
Okay. After 2021, do you have your working experience or you are a full-time mother?
No, I am working here in the Philippines.
In which what kind of work is that?
I taking elderly.
Is it stay in or stay out?
Stay out.
In which part of the Philippines?
Liliw, Laguna.
How many years you work there?
Up to present,
Until now. So
yes.
2021, what month you started in 2021?
December,
Until recently, correct?
yes.
All right. So you take care an elderly. How old is the elderly that you take care?
71.
Female or male?
Male.
So you focus on taking care of this elderly, or you do the house chores also at the same time?
I do house chores.
You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
No, I am house chores only.
Okay, so after that, after the whole day, you just go back home lang.
Yes.
All right. So you know that working as a domestic helper is not new for you, and this is not your first time working abroad. You
Yes.
already know how hard to work as a domestic helper. This is a very tough one.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
I would like to let you know that Kuwait and Malaysia is quite different. You need to ready yourself. You need to expect those unexpected one because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Kuwait and in the Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a huge difference between Kuwait and Malaysia. Houses here is a very big one, and employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes.
Can you cook?
I cook a simple dishes only,
But
but I'm
you're
to learn the foods of cooking of foods Malaysians.
can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes.
This is a 2 years contract, and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family. You cannot handle your job anymore, or there is any uncertain situations happen to your family back in the Philippines. No such a
Yes.
thing. Okay. This is
Okay.
a 2 years contract, and once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Because
You
before, same. Not no. Only in the night I hold my phone.
okay, so you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day,
Yes.
and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And this is a strictly no go out policy. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, if you don't like our terms and conditions, better stay in the Philippines. Don't give us problem, okay? You have a lot of
Oh,
choices. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family at the same time. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
You've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 5 years. Do you think homesickness you
No,
will strike you? So how are you gonna deal with it later?
ma'am.
How are you gonna deal with your homesickness later once it strikes you?
I finish first my work. Then, if I finish, I call my family.
I think that's all for now, Fatima. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much and have a good day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.